Hello everyone. So today we'll learn about use of variables in the Java. So these are some of the primitive type variables we are looking into right now. So uh, what is a variable? Variable is just like a box. So we just put something values or something in the box. That is the variable. So it holds some value. The value can be anything. It can be character, integer, float, or it can be boolean value also. So the very first we will see that integer. For example, we declare it as integer my number equal to 88. Then short my short equal to 847. Long my long equal to 99797. Double my double equal to 7.3. Something like this. Some example value we will declare here. And for the float value, we just need to declare f after after the point value, so it will not throw any error. Character, for example, character equal to y, we will declare here, and byte also we declare like this. Boolean value we will give true and false, and then we just print those variables in the console by using this system.out.println, and we just pass this variable name inside these brackets, so it will print the values of variable which it's holding right now. So we have seen here that these are the values it will print in the console. That, for example, for integer my number equal to 88, we have declared here initializing and declaration we are doing simultaneously in one line only. So this is the example of use of variables in the Java. In next session, we'll see how to use non-primitive type variables in the Java. Thank you.